What are the types of surveys? In this lesson, the two major types of research surveys will be discussed. The types of surveys are the cross-sectional survey and the longitudinal survey. The types of longitudinal surveys will also be discussed. Cross-sectional surveys are those that are administered at just one point in time. It is often used to look at prevailing characteristics in a given population, and it can provide information about what is happening in a current population. These surveys offers researchers a snapshot in time and gives an idea about how things are at a particular point in time. Respondents are of any age. Cross-sectional surveys are quick and cost-effective. These studies are also called descriptive research. This survey is not causal, meaning that it cannot be used to determine the cause of something. Researchers record just the information that is present in a population, but it cannot determine cause and effect and relationships between different variables. Longitudinal surveys are those that enable a researcher to make observations over some extended period of time. These research surveys the exact same sample several times over a period of time. The benefit of longitudinal surveys is that researchers are able to detect developments or changes in the characteristics of the target population. The key here is that longitudinal studies extend beyond a single moment in time. As a result, they can establish sequences of events. The two types of longitudinal surveys are panel studies and cohort studies. Panel studies surveys the exact same sample several times over a period of time. Cohort studies identifies and uses a category of people that are of the same interest, and then regularly surveys these people who fall in that category. Survey designs depends greatly on the nature of the research question. In other words, methodology or data gathering method. This is very important. Knowing what kind of information the study should collect is the first step in determining the success of the research. That ends today's lesson. Kindly visit our Google Classroom to access the classwork. If you have any questions, just type it in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.